Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by reclaiming resources. Force close heavy apps and clear cached memory so MLBB gets priority. Once done, connect to the fastest stable network available, prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or solid mobile data, and limit devices on that network. Make sure game mode and low latency options are enabled. They throttle background activity and give the game more CPU time. Also disable Bluetooth, vibration, and unnecessary sensors to avoid extra processing. These immediate steps reduce frame drops. Now adjust MLBB settings for consistent throughput. Choose balanced or low graphics and cap frames at 30 or 60 to prevent GPU overload. Once set, disable shadows, post-processing, and motion blur because these cause intermittent stutters. Make sure your phone's performance governor is active, free up storage by deleting temp files, and monitor temperature. Thermal throttling kills smoothness, so stop playing briefly if it hits critical. These system-level tweaks stabilize frame timing and keep network latency predictable. Finish by optimizing the connection. Switch to low-latency DNS such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and enable any built-in game acceleration or VPN optimized for gaming. If problems persist, restart your router or try a wired connection via an Ethernet to mobile adapter and test alternative carriers. Make sure your firmware and game client are updated. If lag remains, reinstall MLBB and test on another device to determine whether it's account, device, or network related. Key troubleshooting tip: if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.